You've heard about Harley Bank and you've heard about Wells Fargo. So you wonder which one is the best between these two platforms. Hey, I'm Maverick and welcome to this channel. Talk about Harley Bank and let's talk about Wells Fargo. And at the end, we talk about 15 differences between these two platforms, and I also tell you my best between the two. Let's go ahead and explain what Harley Bank is. Now, Harley Bank is an online only bank which is known for its competitive interest rates and lack of physical branches. It offers a wide range of financial products, including checking and savings accounts, certificate of deposits, and also investment options. Okay, and Ali is praised for its customer service, also the ease of use mobile application, and various fee-free services. And on the other hand, we have Wells Fargo, which is one of the largest traditional banks in the United States with numerous branches and ATMs nationwide, and it offers a comprehensive range of financial services, including personal banking, loans, mortgage, and investment services. All right, so despite its widespread reach, West Fargo has faced criticism for past unethical practices, and though it continues to be a major player in the banking industry. All right, so let's talk about the key differences between Ali Bank and Wells Fargo. The first one is the branch accessibility. As you know, West Fargo, they have extensive network of physical branches and ATMs. All right, but when it comes to Ali Bank right here, there is no physical branches because everything is completely online. All right, so the best here we still go to Wells Fargo for those who prefer in-person banking. Another point here is the interest rate. When it comes to Harley Bank, they typically offer higher interest rate on savings accounts, checkings accounts, and also certificates of deposits, so due to lower overhead costs. All right, so but on the other hand, we have Wells Fargo, which generally offers lower interest rates on similar products. So the best right here in the aspect of interest rates, we go to Harley Bank for higher interest earning. Okay, talk about customer service. As you know, Harley Bank is known for excellent customer service with 24/7 phone support and live chat. But at the other hand, we have Wells Fargo. Even from reviews online, there are mixed reviews on customer service because they are always available during business hours and also at their branches, but sometimes also there are some glitches. So but to me, the best here will still be Ali Bank for consistently being better when it comes to customer service. All right, and talk about fees. Ali Bank, they have minimal fees. Okay, there is no monthly fee on most of their accounts. Okay, but let's talk about Wells Fargo. When it comes to Wells Fargo, they have various fees, including monthly maintenance fees, unless specific requirements are actually being met. Okay, so right here in the fees, I'm still gonna go for Ali Bank because they have lower fees. Okay, and in the aspect of technology and mobile banking, in this aspect, Harley Bank is still superior. Okay, because they have strong emphasis on digital banking with a user-friendly app and online services. So compared to West Fargo, they also have solid mobile app, but they are not as focused on digital service as Harley. So right here, I'm gonna go with Harley Bank as the best when it comes to technology and mobile banking for superior digital experience. ATM access right here. Ali Bank, they have no proprietary ATMs, but they reimburse fees at any ATM in the United States and up to $10 per statement cycle. Okay, and on the other hand, we have Wells Fargo. They have large network of ATMs, but the fees may apply if using non-Wells Fargo ATM. So in this aspect, I'm still gonna go with Ali Bank for ATM fees reimbursement because they reimburse your ATM fees. All right. Another point I have here is the account type and availability. When it comes to Ali Bank, they offer basic account types, including checking, savings, and CDS, okay, which is certificates of deposits. Okay, so they offer all that. So you can see savings, checking and others. So they offer that, which is a good one that I like. But when it comes to Wells Fargo, they also have wide range of account types, including specialized accounts and services. So in this aspect of account type, I'm still gonna go with Wells Fargo for more account varieties. Okay, so loan option also is another thing that I see when it comes to Wells Fargo. They have comprehensive loan options, including personal loan, okay, auto loan, and mortgages. Okay, so the Ali Bank, they offer auto loans and mortgages, but there is no personal loan. So right here, I'm still gonna go with Wells Fargo for a more broader loan option. The ninth point which I have here is investment services. When it comes to the Ali Bank, they provide investment options through Ali Invest, okay, including self-directed and managed portfolios. Okay, but when it comes to Wells Fargo, they have extensive investment services through Wells Fargo Advisor. Okay, so right here, investment services, Wells Fargo is gonna be the best here. because of a wider range of investment services. Okay, talk about overdraft protection. As you know, Harley Bank, they offer overdraft protection transfers, from savings or a line of credit. So Wells Fargo, they offer multiple overdraft protection options, but the fees always apply. So in this aspect, I'm gonna go with Ali Bank for more transparent and less costly options. Okay, let's talk about minimum balance requirement. In this aspect, the Ali Bank, they have no minimum balance requirement on most accounts. Okay, but with the Wells Fargo, they have minimum balance requirements to avoid fees on some accounts. So I'm still gonna go with Ali Bank with this, for there is no minimum balance requirement. Talk about certificates of deposit option. The Ali Bank offers a high yield certificate of deposit, also no penalty certificate of deposit, and raise your rate certificate of deposit. Okay, why the Wells Fargo, they have standard certificate of deposit with lower interest rate. So you still can compare that to Harley Bank. So the best here is still Harley Bank for more flexible and higher yield certificates of deposit options. Okay, talk about business banking. Ali Bank, they do not offer business banking services. Okay, but Wells Fargo, they have extensive business banking services, including checking, loans, and merchant services. So the best here is gonna go to Wells Fargo. All right, and Zelle integration. Harley Bank, they support Zelle for quick and easy money transfers. Okay, why that of Wells Fargo, also they support Zelle with easy integration into the banking app. So here it's gonna be a tie, as you can see right there. You can send money with Zelle with Wells Fargo, so it's a tie. And also Ali Bank also offers same. Okay, they also support Zelle for quick and easy money transfer. So it's gonna be a tie, as both bank offer seamless Zelle transaction. As at the time of creating this video, though, maybe later on it might be not like that. And also the last I'm going to talk about here is security and fraud protection, which is the 15th point here. Okay, is the security and fraud protection. With Ali Bank, you have high security measures. Okay, for online banking. All right, there's a lot of security measures for online banking. Why with Wells Fargo, they have strong security measures, but past issues have raised concerns. A lot of people have complained about the security. So I'm gonna go with Ali Bank with this for a better security reputation. All right, so now in conclusion, which one will I go for? It had been this is a live call, I will have asked you guys which one do you think I will go for. Well, possibly you already know the answer. The answer is Ali Bank, and the reason is because they have high interest rates. Ali Bank, they consistently offer higher interest rates on savings accounts and also certificates of deposit. So it makes it a better choice for those who are looking for to maximize their earnings. And also they have lower fees because Ali Bank has minimum fees with no monthly maintenance fees on most of the accounts. So this saves customers money in the long run. Okay, their customer support is also very good because they have 24/7 customer service and positive reputation. All right, which makes it a reliable choice for customer support. You can see contact us right there. Also, they have excellent digital experience because as an online only bank, Ali provides a user-friendly app and online platform, so which is ideal for tech-savvy customers who prefer digital banking. Another reason why I like and I prefer Ali over Wells Fargo is the transparent and low cost, in also overdraft protection. Okay, Ali offers straightforward and affordable overdraft protection options, which is gonna help customers to manage finances more effectively. Okay, now to cap everything up, Wells Fargo offers extensive branch access, okay, and also a wide range of account types and also comprehensive services. But Ali Bank still stands out to me because of its higher interest rates, lower fees, exceptional customer service, and superior digital experience. So for these reasons, I'm still gonna go with Ali Bank for in case you're a customer like me who is seeking a modern and efficient banking solutions. All right, so this is what I have for you in today's video, and my best between Ali Bank and Wells Fargo is Ali Bank. If you feel Wells Fargo is still much better, then you can let us know in the comment box your reason. However, I've let you know the reason why I prefer to go with Ali Bank. You can let us know your reason in the comment box why you prefer Wells Fargo over Ali Bank, and possibly other people also will be able to learn from you. I'm not an expert. Also, this is just me being an intermediate, also teaching you what I know. So you can be an expert than me. Go ahead, let us know. And if you feel like, oh, truly Ali Bank is better than Wells Fargo, then it's fine. We're good to go. You can go ahead, like this video. Also make sure that you share and subscribe so that other people will be able to also get this type of video and YouTube can push it to more people. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate your time. I wish you the best of luck and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.